Hi everybody, welcome to this video. So in this video I'm going to show you how to remove backgrounds from images in Adobe Photoshop. So right here you notice that I have this image here and there is a lot of background. So I want to simply remove the background and keep this lady here. So the fastest way to do it is to make sure that you have the layers panel open, and you'll have to duplicate the layer. And if you don't know how to duplicate the layers, what you'll have to do is simply drag the layer and drop it on this plus, and that will basically duplicate it, alright? Or it will just copy it. So now we have a copy of that layer. What I'm going to do now is that I'm going to click on Window and make sure that I have the properties open. So click the properties, and now you'll notice that we have some options here. So now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to click on remove background, and once I click on it, it will basically remove the background, and you might not see anything now, but if we uncheck the layer below it, you'll notice that she is perfectly selected. So this is real cool. I mean, now I'll be able to remove just this background, and I can save it as a PNG file. Alright, so let's do it one more time. So I'm going to press Ctrl Z or Command Z just to undo it. Alright, so the first thing that I did was to duplicate the layer, and I just dragged the layer over this plus, and as you notice, now we have two layers. And now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to the properties panel, and right here you see it says remove background. So just one click on it and wait for it, and then you'll notice that it will create like a mask next to it. So now I can uncheck the layer below it, so I can hide it. So you see, you just click on this little eye and it will remove the background. And right here also you can turn off this background if you want to save this as a PNG file. And this is basically it about how to remove a background from an image on Adobe Photoshop. So if you like the video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. And also you can super like, I enabled that feature also, so it's enabled, and I hope to see you all in the next videos. So thank you for your support everybody, and I'll see you all in the next videos.